In the heart of a community, there once lived a man whose vision and dedication transformed lives and inspired generations. Shri Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji, a luminary in the field of education and a paragon of compassion, left an indelible mark on all who had the privilege of knowing him. Today, we pay tribute to his remarkable journey, exploring the profound impact he made through his tireless work and unwavering commitment to the betterment of society. Join us as we celebrate the life and legacy of Shri Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji, a true beacon of hope and enlightenment. Throughout human history, there have been individuals who have stood out as beacons of light, guiding future generations with their wisdom and actions. Shri Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji was one such luminary, a guiding force whose life was devoted to the pursuit of knowledge, compassion and service. Life is transient and nothing lasts forever. Yet, what truly matters is the impact one makes on humanity during their journey. This is the story of a remarkable individual whose life was a testament to patience, empathy, and unwavering dedication to education. Nayanam chindati shastrani, nayanam dahati pavaka, na chainam klendatyapo, na shoshyati maruta. Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji, a beacon of wisdom and compassion, touched countless lives through his sincerity and devotion. Let's move towards his humble beginning to the educational journey. Born in a small village, Shri Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji's journey to prominence was marked by unwavering determination and a deep-seated belief in the transformative power of education. Rising above socio-economic barriers, he pursued higher education and became a scholar in his field. Armed with the vision of equitable access to learning, he included himself on a mission to revolutionize the educational landscape. Shri Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji was an embodiment of patience, empathy, timely action, and infallible administrative acumen. Despite his busy schedule, he was always accessible, offering guidance and support to everyone. His presence was a source of guidance and inspiration. His empathetic treatment of all who sought assistance made him a revered figure in the community. He was known as a pillar of guidance and support. As an educator and administrator, Shri Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji's influence extended far beyond the classroom. His door was always open and his wisdom was always available to those in need. Whether offering guidance to students, mentoring faculty members, or advocating for the marginalized, he embodied the virtues of patience, empathy, and inclusivity. His leadership fostered a culture of collaboration and empowerment, enriching the educational experience for all. Na chaurharya, na rajharya, na pratbhanjyam, na cha bharakari, ve krate vardhiti, evam nityam विद्याधनम सर्वधनम प्रधानम। एक ऐसा धन जिसे चुराया नहीं जा सकता, जिसे कोई भी व्यक्ति छीन नहीं सकता, जिसका भाइयों के बीच बंटवारा नहीं किया जा सकता, जिसे संभलना बिल्कुल भी मुश्किल नहीं है और जो खर्च करने पर और अधिक बढ़ता है, वो धन विद्या है। विद्या सबसे श्रेष्ठ धन है और यही धन हम सबको श्री डॉक्टर नागेंद्र स्वरूप जी देना चाहते थे और उन्होंने दिया। Sri Dr. Nagen Swarup Ji's dedication to the cause of education was unparalleled. He believed that true achievements are measured by the positive impact one can make on others' lives. Sri Dr. Nagen Swarup Ji's legacy extended beyond the confines of academics, touching every aspect of society. Recognizing the interconnectedness of education and social progress, he championed initiatives aimed at uplifting marginalized communities and promoting social justice. From leading the literary programs to advocating for gender equality, his actions spoke volumes about his commitment to creating a more just and equitable world. Adi rasvati yasya shramvati kriya, Lakshmi danvati yasya safalam tasya जीवतम। जिस मनुष्य की वाणी मीठी हो, जिसका काम परिश्रम से भरा हो, जिसका धन दान करने में प्रयुक्त हो, उसका जीवन सफल है। ऐसे ही सफल व्यक्ति को आज हम दिल से सलाम करते हैं। Sri Dr. Nagen Swarup Ji might have left us for his heavenly abode, but his legacy of guidance, inspiration, and motivation lives on. His memory is a cherished treasure in our hearts. His vision for education and social upliftment left an indelible mark on everyone who knew him. His acts of kindness and social service were a source of inspiration. Though Sri Dr. Nagen Swarup Ji may have departed from this world, his legacy endures as a beacon of light in a world often shrouded in darkness. His teaching continue to inspire countless individuals to strive for excellence and make a difference in their communities. As we reflect on his life and contribution, let us rededicate ourselves to the ideals he held, ensuring that his light continues to shine brightly for generations to come. Through his passing has left an irreversible void. We vow to keep the flame of learning unblemished. Inspired by his wisdom, we will continue to nurture his vision of education and social excellence. Throughout the vast expanse of human history, only a select few individuals have left a legacy as enduring as that of Sri Dr. Nagen Swarup Ji. His life stands as a testament to the transformative power of compassion, dedication, and visionary leadership. As we pay tribute to his memory, let's honor his legacy by steadfastly upholding the values he held and working towards the creation of a more inclusive and equitable society for all. जब हम अपने जीवन में अपने सबसे प्यारे व्यक्ति को खो देते हैं तो समय रुकने लगता है, लेकिन ये महत्वपूर्ण है कि आप अपना और अपने परिवार का ख्याल रखें। और बाकी काम साहस के साथ शुरू करें, ताकि उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले और उन्हें स्वर्ग में शांति मिले। Dr. Nagin Swaroop Ji's life is a testament to the profound impact one individual can have on countless lives. As we remember his contributions and cherish his memory, we are reminded of the true measure of a life well lived. With his wisdom and inspiration guiding us, we shall keep the fire of his visionary seed burning in our hearts forever. We extend our heartfelt thanks to all for watching this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.